Alright, TikTok followers, follow if you want to see more content like this, as well as others. This is the before, and I'm going to do the after of cleaning the engine bay and the whole car of this mint condition. Looks rough now, but it will look good when I'm done. Chevy Celebrity, that probably nobody ever knows what these are, especially from my age and up. So here's before, and like I said, we're going to do an after. Walk around the whole car, the wheels, the tires, every bit of it. It's going to be cleaned. I have the beauty rings for it, the chrome rings. I have the center cap for it. So it just needs to be cleaned. The car's dirty. It's set underneath the tree, and tree sap's all over it for a long time. Places like all this green stuff that you see, all that's going to be gone. All this oil and debris and rust and dirt and mud and whatever, name it, it's going to be gone. Especially this really horrendous power steering leak that it's got. It's really bad. And it's so bad that it's spraying it out on the outside of the car. It's crazy. Alright guys, TikTok followers and YouTube, here is the after. Way big of a difference. No more power steering fluid everywhere. The pump's still bad. I still gotta take it and I've got to replace it, but yeah, it is clean. I can actually see the engine now. I can actually work on it and find other leaks that might pop up later on that I can catch before it makes too big of a mess, or I lose engine oil or any other fluid that might be leaking. The outside is also cleaned. It's freezing out here, but it's done. It's cleaned. It don't look the best because it needs to be washed. Detailed, meaning some good buffing compound and some wax. But other than that, I believe I call that a win and good. Because it looks a whole heck of a lot better than it did before. So follow for more, and this is for YouTube too. So subscribe, have a notification bell on, so every time I upload, you get the notification.